doing this for my grandma. She sent me a package for Valentine's Day, I'm assuming. So I'm gonna open it because I know she watches these videos. And that way it's like I'm there with her. I can open this. Ooh. So she sent some yummy white chocolate popcorn and a big bag of my favorite chocolate chip cookies. Ooh, and I'm assuming some of this is for my roommates too. Yes, because my roommate Shayna, the first time she sent us this stuff for Halloween, devoured hers in like 60 seconds, and she said she doesn't even like popcorn. So there's just little like heart shaped like candies and red sprinkles. This stuff, so good, you guys. Thank you, Grandma, I love you. So guys, we just got home from school and tried to go into our apartment, and there was like 6 cops standing in front of the door next to it, and they won't let us in. Well, he told us to walk all the way around the building because the hall is like in a giant square, to walk all the way around and we could go in, and ours is right on the corner. So we did that, and some other freaking rude cop got all attitude-y with us and told us no. I was like, that other cop literally just told us to walk around and we could go in. He's like, I literally can't let you go in, or something like that. And I'm starving, and he has 4 essays to do tonight. That literally just happened when we were talking about being locked out. What the heck? We heard a loud bang, and I was like, what was that? And Zach's like, someone just got in an accident, joking, and then we look, and literally someone got in an accident.
2 hours later.
And we're just chilling at home, gonna watch Lost and do homework.
Yeah.
And go in the hot tub.
Yeah. Hot tub.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
We are having a fun weekend this weekend. It's
because
Friday. We are playing Mario Party on the Switch. And she's ordering Five Guys.
Burgers and fries.
Yeah.
The best
And
fries.
we're just gonna play Mario Party and just chill. Zach and I are, oh wait, are we winning?
Kind of.
We're playing right now. Marcy and I played earlier, and I got 5 stars.
It's my turn.
We got our 5 Guys. We each have a bag of fries and our burgers.
They're the greatest things in the history of the universe.
Marcel always goes way overboard.
I do.
Just put it on the camera.
Helping out with the vlog right now.
Get it. Get the booger.
I'm not getting the booger out of your
Get the
nose.
booger.
Get the booger. Your mom can't do it for the vine.
You're holding it the wrong way.
We need to be a family-friendly YouTube page, okay? Family-friendly.
Dysfunctional family tag.
We're just chilling in Target, having a good time. And you see this.
Late night Target run with my people. Of course, Zachary wonders stuff. It's like 10 o'clock. We have all this ducks. What? We are going to another show. Zachary's taking us. I kind of feel
You are not trashing.
not nice enough for this occasion. I feel like I look nice, but the wrong kind of nice. You feel? No. But Zach wanted me to do my eyeliner because I haven't done it in a long time, so I kind of just went with it. And
I I think it looks good. Vlog.
We just got done with the show. Scooch over a little bit so you can see it. Oh, you can't really see it. And I live in such a small world. Even
It's
6
weird.
hours away from home, I run into people I know who my grandpa knows. Like this entire group of people sitting right here, there was only 2 of us. They were all in a group, except for the 2 of us, knew my grandpa and were just shocked that I was his granddaughter. So, such a small world.